It's time to do the super squeeze spell. Are you ready? 3, 4, go! Copy me into your spell pose. Okay, start by putting both of your arms up into the air. Spread your fingers, squeeze one hand, squeeze your other hand, and squeeze your hands together. Arms out to the side. Fingers spread, squeeze one hand, squeeze the other hand, squeeze your hands together. Well done. Same moves again. Arms up, fingers spread, squeeze one, squeeze two. Now squeeze together. To the side. Squeeze one, squeeze two, squeeze together. Now clap, say super squeeze to send the magic to me. Super squeeze! Yes, it's working! The cracks are squeezing shut. Yes! Whoa! Wow! You did a great job on the easy squeezy spell. Our big world magic stopped the sap leaking!
Hey, well done, Tom. The sap is safe. No more leaks. Hey! Hey! Ooh.
Ah,
Hey!